Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is a video I've really been looking forward to doing. I've got my new IKEA makeup desk. I've also got some storage organiser type things and I'm going to be reorganising my whole makeup desk. At the minute I got the new makeup desk and then just shoved everything in. It's all a bit mismatched, so there's no organisation. So I'm going to literally have everything organised, everything neat and tidy so that I know where everything is and everything in these clear containers. So let me show you my makeup desk and let's get cracking with the organising.
I try to figure out who I am.
So this is the current situation at the moment. As you can see, it's an absolute state.
And the days don't work out the way I thought they would.
So this is my new delivery from Amazon. These are the containers. So let's see what these are like. Oh, there's lots of them. They're all wrapped up very nicely. So let's get that out of the way. There's clearly an imaginary bin here. Bubble wrap. So my inner kid comes out when I see bubble wrap. So as you can see, these are all different shapes and sizes. I've got some small ones, longer ones, even longer ones. So we're going to get everything in here, guys. It's going to be brilliant. Oh, I nearly threw that instead of the rubbish then. Little ones.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
May not need all of these, but we'll see how we get on. So let's clear out the bits we don't need in here. Probably don't need the flowers in the makeup drawer. I've also got things like my Apple Watch and a few little stationery bits which I will probably keep in here as it's obviously my office desk as well. So I'll have a little organising thing for that stuff.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
I found a chocolate bar. I was probably trying to hide it from myself. It did a good job because I didn't find it. But now it means we'll probably have to eat it all tonight. Found some headphones. I've just spent £40 on a new pair. Thought I'd lost them. Just going to give it all a little wipe because as you can see there's eyelashes. How many of my eyelashes are in there? That's embarrassing. And hairs. Anyway, yeah, that needs a clean. Now here's me wondering if this drawer should actually come out further because I couldn't actually get right to the depth of it. I thought it was a bit of a wasted drawer because I couldn't reach right up the back, but I think that was definitely how it came out. And here's my boyfriend giving it an attempt as well.
Are you going to put stuff in all of these things?
Yeah. Here's all the containers in ready to go, so let's get organising. Foundations in this one.
You know exactly how they look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady, oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I
These are the best tweezers ever, Jack Wills tweezers. I've lost these for ages and I've just found them.
won't choose.
Loving it.
You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got
Now it's time to put the organisers back in the drawer and do the finishing touches.
I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in.
All finished. Now let me show you all my makeup. So I've organised these drawers in a way that's good for me. So at the back of this side is foundations and prep and prime, things that I don't really use much. Just because it's really annoying that this drawer doesn't come out as far, as it's quite deep in there, but you can't actually pull the drawer out. So I've tucked them at the back. These two, I use these products most out of everything. So if I'm going out, these are all the products I use. So up close, that's my Dior foundation, which is amazing. If I can get it out. That's the best foundation ever. And then that's a matte concealer, a few matte concealers. That's my eyelash brush rather. A few brushes and then mascara and another Dior makeup foundation because I bought that at the airport recently. And then here is my MAC bronzer, MAC powder, and then this is a eyeshadow palette which has got concealer all over it or foundation, which isn't great. I shall clean that at some point. This is MAC eyeshadow, which I actually use as eyeliner on the top of my eyes. More eyelash brushes, pencil eyeliners, and then the lipsticks that I use the most, or lip gloss. Up the back of here is more foundation that I don't really use. And then these are my powders and blushes. These are, that is concealer, MAC concealer pots. And what's that? I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's black gel eyeliner. That is nearly empty concealer. That's concealer. These are 3 MAC lipsticks that I don't have the lids to. All these are spare lip glosses that I don't really use, but they're all MAC ones. They're all good ones, so I probably will start wearing those in the summer. And then these are all my mascaras and pencil eyeliner. And then we've got my, what's this? Oh, blushes. Benefit blushes. That came as a set of 3, I believe. What else is in there? More eyeshadows, I think. And then this little green thing is, where's my finger? Don't know where my finger is. Oh, here. This green thing is my makeup sponge. Again, at the back is more concealers and prep and prime. More lip glosses and lipsticks. This is all my eyeshadow palettes. And then that is my miscellaneous sort of officey bits. And then the brushes on the edge. But it's got sharpener, tweezers, blue tack. All different bits and bobs in there. Oh, and my Apple Watch. So yeah, that is lovely and organised now. I'm really happy with that. It probably could do some tweaking, but overall, I'm happy.